Hello everyone, welcome to Only Competitive Exam. So we have discussed till non-cooperation movement in our previous lecture. So now we will be continuing from that. Now the next important event that happened is the Char incident. Alright, so it happened in 1921. Now this will turn violent and Gandhiji will withdraw the movement and will say that the nation is not prepared for the movement. Alright, so there's the 1921 incident. So after that there will be another notable incident, that is the second phase of revolutionary activity. Alright, so it will begin from 1924 and it will last till 1931, and the first notable incident will be the HRA, or Hindustan Republican Association Army. Alright, so it will happen in 1924 and Ram Prasad Bismal and Chandrasekhar Azad will be the leaders. Then the next incident is on 1925, that is the Kakuri Dakati. Alright, so these are all the second phase of revolutionary activity. Alright, now the next event is on 1928. Alright, so this event marks as the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Alright, so there has been a change now violence is not their creed. Alright, so they have realized that by violence, what the ultimate is they are just going to jail and nothing has been improving. So they have realized that with violence nothing can be happen, so we have to become non-violent. So after this 1928, the Hindustan Socialist Republic Association will realize that violence will be not our aim now, and Lala Rajput Rai will also die and in this event. Now this after this Lalaji died, they became again violent. Alright, now they want revenge for Lalaji's death. Alright, so we all know that after that they will throw bomb in assembly. But that's not their creed. They just throw the bomb so that they can show that they are not getting fear. Alright, so they will throw the bomb that they can make bomb, they can attack if required. So they will just show that they are not in fear. After that, we all know that in 1931 Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru will be hanged. So that's another horrible incident, and after that those revolutionary activities will become end. Alright, and another phase, it will be continuing in Bengal, and Masterja Sujo Sen will be the leader there, and he will also carry down some activity on Chittagong, that is called as a Chittagong movement, and ultimately, as you all know, that those will also become end in very sad fashion, and finally in 1930 they all will be hanged. Alright, so there is the second phase of the revolutionary activity. That's the complete second phase of revolutionary activity. Now we'll go back to beginning, that is the 1921. You can see that after next event, that will be 1923, that is the Congress Khilafat Swaraj's party. Alright, so that's the new party that will be formed, the Congress Khilafat Swaraj's party, and after that in 1928 there will be Simon's commissions. Alright, so they will say that India are not competent enough to frame constitution, so there is no question of Indian independence. Alright, so then what will happen? Some of the Indian leaders will show that they are competent. So that is what the fathers of Jawaharlal Nehru, that is the Motilal Nehru, did. So he make a report on Indian constitutions. Alright, he just made a framework of Indian constitutions. Alright, so after that in 1930, when the British will not accept those constitutions, India will launch, that is not India, that is the Congress will launch CDM. Alright, that is the civil disobedience movement will be launched. Alright, Now after CDM in 1931, second roundtable conference will be happened. All right. Now in this conference, none of the decisions will be in favor of the Congress. So as usual, like the previous one as well, like the previous conference as well, British will not make any decision that will be favoring for Congress. So this will lead to communal award, and all the members and all the leaders including Gandhiji will be captured and will be imprisoned, and finally this movement, that is the CDM movement, will be dissipated. All right. So now the CDM has been dissipated and members will be imprisoned. Now after all this event in 1935, Government of India will publish another act. Now after that in 1931 election will be happened. Now in this election Congress will win, and after winning handsomely they will rule for 28 months, but provisionally, not completely rule, but he will rule provisionally, just to show that they are capable to rule. All right. Now after that we all know in 1939 the World War II will happen and all the members will resign. Now you know why? Because the British will say that India is the part of the Allies, but India is actually not. Even the British don't even care to the Congress leaders. They simply say that the Indians are part of the Allies. Now this will make Congress leaders angry, and all they became resigned. All right. Now after that in 1940 Gandhiji will make another movement, and that is the individual satyagraha. All right. So in this way Gandhiji will try to show that they are not weak. They are not. It's not that fact that they are not competent enough for the World War II, but they don't want to participate. So instead of that they will do, that is the individual satyagraha. All right. Now after that, then the August offer will be coming from the British side. They will also show some Karachi resolution, that is the demanding Pakistan, but none of the leaders will accept at that beginning. Now after that there will be also Cripps mission, but we all know that the Cripps mission's failure will lead to Quit India movement. But the notable thing is that in Quit India movement only the Congress will be the participant. Neither the Muslim parties or the other parties, they will not participate in the Quit India movement. Only the Congress will launch the Quit India movement. All right. Then after that in 1945 Wavell plan that happened in Simla, and it is also called as Simla conference. So that will happen. Now all these resolutions, these offers, these plans, they are all some part of the negotiation from the British Parliament. All right. So this all will be keep on coming, but India will never like all these negotiations, and they will only want total independence. All right. So all these resolutions are not going to work anymore, and there is another important event that happened is in 1940, that is the Indian National Army. So that's what we call as a third phase of revolutionary activity. All right. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is the leader, and he will carry out some revolutionary activity, and that's very notable. All right. Now after that in 1945 and 46 INA trials will be happened. After those defeats, INA trials will be happened. And now another notable thing here, everyone will support INA. All right. In this trial, not only Congress, everyone, those Hindu and Muslim parties, everyone will support INA, and even the Royal Indian Navy, they will also keep on supporting Indian INA, Indian National Army. All right. In even the Air Force as well. So in this way INA trials will be happened, and this will really lift the Indians. Now after that in 1945 all this event will lead to another cabinet missions, and this time after this event on 16th August 1946 direct action day will happen. All right. Now after that, as India has been become too much desperate, Attlee will finally declare the Indians date of the independence. All right, that happened on 20th February 1947. All right, and after that Mountbatten will be coming, and in 1947 finally he will announce the partition, that is the India and Pakistan partition, and finally all know that in 15th of August 1947 Indian independence will happen eventually, and Pakistan's independence will also happen just a day before 15th of August. Now this is the holistic approach, alright, of the modern Indian history. You just keep on revising again and again, and learn to memorize all these dates in this fashion. Alright, just use this story, just use this story and revise again and again. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this, then please do like this video and comment in the comment section, and please subscribe our channel to stay updated, and press the bell icon so that you can receive our videos at very first. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all.